Hi, it's Kirsten and Gertrude here from WTI. Now, most of us take a multivitamin every day to ensure that we're getting proper nutrition, so it makes sense that we would give one to our dogs. So I've been using this one for my dog from the Natural Dog Company for a little while, and I'm really pleased with the results in my dog. So my dog's main concern is her skin and coat, as this breed definitely has sensitive skin. So I love the fact that this multivitamin has cod liver oil, hemp seed oil, so these good omega-3 oils that are really good and nourishing for her coat. So the multivitamins themselves are very yellow with yellow powder around it, so you can see right away the turmeric. It's right there, it's obvious. I love that about these multivitamins, that the ingredients are all natural, they're made in the USA. I just like the fact that they're made of really high quality ingredients that are good for her skin and coat, for her gut health, for her joints. Every dog as they age, we're always concerned about their joint health, so this was a huge factor in deciding on this multivitamin. So the taste. Now this is a duck and sweet potato blend. My dog is the pickiest eater in the world. Anything new she immediately rejects. So I did have to put a little bit of peanut butter on the multivitamin for her to eat it. And once I did, she was fine with that. I also love that they're so soft, so you can definitely crumble these into your dog's food if you have a picky eater as well. And the size of them, they're about the size of a nickel, so even my little dog's mouth is totally fine to eat them. She eats one a day, so it's based on their weight, and I'm really impressed with the results. I think you will love these multivitamins, but that's just my point of view.